Hello everyone and welcome to another travel vlog video where in today's video we are going to Salinopolis in Pará, Brazil, or Salinas as the locals call it. Now we start off today's video with our stay in Aqualand Resort. Aqualand consists of the resort and the water park, spanning a total area of 70,000 square meters and features the largest wave pool in Latin America. The room we were staying in was a suite equipped with a fully functioning kitchen, spacious bathroom and bedroom, and a balcony view of Salinopolis and the Atlantic Ocean. Because we arrived at night, it's quite difficult to truly appreciate what this view has to offer, so just wait, and later in the video you will see exactly why this is one of the best rooms at Aqualand Resort in my opinion. The next morning, however, before we could appreciate the view from our balcony, it was time to get ready for my very first 10-kilometer run. And when I say first time running 10 kilometers, I just mean in a competitive environment with other people running with me. It was a lot of fun and there were a lot of great views to experience along the way. After this, we arrived back at the resort and it was time to check out the Salão de Jogos, or the playroom, which featured multiple pool tables, video games, as well as several spaces for kids to play as well. After this, we took a tour up to the rooftop where there was a rooftop bar complete with sushi restaurant, which had a fantastic view of the water park itself. And not too long after this, after some relaxing, it was time to have some dinner. I treated myself to a strawberry flavored shake and some dinner that we shared together. The following morning, it was time to finally check out that view from the balcony. Following that, it was time to head to the gym for a quick workout. It's good to note that Aqualand also has a kids club, like a play area where parents can take their kids and they can enjoy a ball pit and playground and play with other kids as well. Us though, we checked out the gym, which for a hotel, it was actually very spacious. And when we were there, there was another few hotel guests who also used the gym, but there was plenty of space for all of us to use it at the same time. Plenty of free weights, machines, as well as other equipment. The gym also had a fantastic view of the pool area and the hotel tower as well. After this, it was time for some breakfast. highlight of this day was to check out Atalaia Beach. It's most famous for its wide expanse of sand and bright blue waters of the Atlantic Ocean. To get there, we took a short ride across in a traditional boat. When we arrived, it was time to enjoy what Atalaia Beach has to offer. I also had time to send up my drone so you guys can get a pretty good idea as to why this beach is so famous and to why it attracts so many tourists, not just Brazil-wide, but worldwide as well. Enjoy. So that will do it for today's travel video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it interesting. And let me know in the comments down below if you have been to Salinas or Salinopolis. What was your experience like? Did you enjoy it? What was your favorite part? And if not, is this a place you would like to go to? Let me know. Thanks again for watching. I have a heap of videos planned and already recorded, just waiting to come out. So if you're keen to see more of these types of videos, subscribe so you don't miss another video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.